Hello students. So now this is again an example I am going to discuss is on plane scale. So you can go through the statement, that is, construct a plane scale to show the kilometers and hectometers when 2.5 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. That is 2.5 centimeter is represented 2.5 centimeter is representing 1 kilometer on the sheet. So the scale should be long enough. Okay. Scale should be long enough to measure up to 6 kilometers. Maximum length is given. Mark of the distance 2.7 kilometer and 3.9 kilometer on the scale. Now first step is RF. We have to calculate length on the drawing upon the actual length of the object is equal to 2.5 centimeter upon 1 kilometer. That comes out to be 1 upon 40,000 when you change these units. Similarly, the LOS is equal to 1. It is LOS is RF into maximum distance. So this is RF into maximum distance, that is 1 by 40,000, 1 upon 40,000 into 6 kilometers. 6 kilometers converted to centimeters, and in the end you can get LOS as 15 centimeters. Now I am going to draw this scale with LOS as 15. LOS comes out to be 15 here. Now you can draw simply a 15 centimeter long line. Okay, first you need to draw a horizontal line 15 centimeter long as per the LOS. Then now you have to measure it up to 6 kilometers. So that's why you need to divide it into 6 equal parts. First you divide this into 6 equal parts. Okay, it is 2.5 centimeter or 25 mm each. You can simply do it. Okay, there is one more method that I will discuss in the diagonal scale. How to divide this line into 6 equal parts just by using that inclined line method. Now you can raise this up to 10 mm because the height of the diagonal scale plane scale is 10 mm. Okay, so I am just raising it to 10 mm, all the partitions 10 mm. Then now it is up to 6 kilometers. Up to 6 kilometers this scale can measure. In the first subdivision here, this is the first subdivision which is to be divided into again 10 equal parts. So always start with 0 at the first division. Now this is first, then second, third, 4 and 5. So now you can join the upper one, upper length as well. All this is continuous thick line. Okay, all this is done by using continuous thick line. Now you have to divide this first subdivision into again 10 equal parts. Okay, you can take it. So it is first you can divide it into say 5 equal parts. Then you can further subdivide it into 10 equal parts. So this is divided into 10 equal parts. Now you can again count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5 from this side and this is 10. So you can also mark it. Now you can raise from the middle. This fifth one is the middle one. You can raise it completely. This is continuous thin now. You can raise this a little bit. Okay, other partitions are raised a little bit. So this is actually 1 kilometer is being divided into further 10 equal parts, means 10 hectometer. So it is, these are the hectometers. Here the units is hectometer. Here it is kilometers. So you can write it is kilometers. This is hectometers. Okay, now you want to measure 2.7 and 3.9. So this is 2, just draw an extension line, and 2.7, this is 7. So you can draw another extension line. Next is 3.9, this is 3, and this is 9. So you can raise it from here. Okay, now you can simply draw a dimension line. So this is basically 2.7. This is measuring 2.7 and this is measuring 3.9. Okay, now you can draw the arrowheads, 3:1 ratio. This can be done only by if you practice it. Okay. Okay, these are the arrowheads. Now you can write it 2.7 kilometers or 3.9. 3.9, you have to write it as per the standard alphabets. Okay, and you can also mention the RF here. What's the RF? And you can also mention the LOS. You can also mention the LOS. I'm taking the height, some suitable height of the letters. So I am just writing RF. All these alphabets are to be written as per the standard. RF is 1/40,000. Okay, and then LOS is 15 centimeter. Okay, so this is the complete plane scale. Thank you.